some guy comes in and he wants to get his wife a piece of jewelry and he has no idea what to get. First thing, does she have her ears pierced? Yeah, she has her ears pierced. I don't know what she has. Traditional classic diamond solitaire earrings. I think that's like win-win all the time. It's a go-to that most women have their ears pierced, and diamond solitaire earrings are a good suggestion because we offer an upgrade program. So if you got her, let's say, half a carat pair of diamond earrings this year, and for your anniversary in a few years you want to upgrade, you can actually trade them back in and we'll give you dollar for dollar, so you only have to pay the difference. Diamond solitaire necklace, just simple, classic, timeless styles. Honestly, sometimes if they're trying to describe her, like, just pull up a picture, like, here she is, this is what she looks like, and we're like, oh great, she has dark hair, like this, this type of gold will look good on her skin tone, or like any of those little pictures or tips are helpful. Girls have Pinterest page, and like we see that, we can usually quickly gauge like what style she is or what we think she might like. We understand guys are going out on a limb. If you're like, I think she's gonna like this bracelet, I'm not certain. Is it okay if she doesn't? Can I exchange it out? Yeah, of course, we want her to get, what she wants. In a week, she hasn't put on the piece of, or the earrings, or like, a month later, you're like, I got you that ring. It's still in the box. Like, you can feel out the vibe to see if she really likes it. But like, I think, again, giving yourself some credit, because you're overwhelmed with the amount of choices. And when you give it to her, it's just the one choice. It should be fairly easy to recognize if she likes it or not. Because again, if she's puts it on immediately and wears it to work the next day and the next day and the next day, I mean, there's a good chance she likes it. A lot of it depends on like what's the occasion they're celebrating. If it's a milestone anniversary, we usually suggest some of those more staple classic diamond pieces of a wedding band, earrings, necklace. If it's a birthday, we might suggest like, her birthday is in November. Oh, have you thought about her birthstone, for a suggestion? Or, hey, it's for Mother's Day. Well, have you thought about incorporating the kids' birthstones into a piece of jewelry? Like all women, most moms love all that kind of stuff. So we really try to get to know the person and the occasion, what they're shopping for, and then help put the pieces together from there. We had someone come in today. They were celebrating a graduation, and they got their son a wristwatch. They were commemorating the time that he's like put into college and where he's going with his career. There's all sorts of different sentiment behind each piece.